My neighbor was convinced I had lost my mind. A few days later, he attached the exact same thing to his trash bin. Take a few felt furniture pads. They are soft, lightweight, and absorb liquids very well, making them perfect for this trick. Next, grab your favorite essential oil. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that have been valued for their many uses for years. Add a few drops to each felt pad and let them absorb the liquid. This creates a simple base that will gradually release its fragrance over time. Now turn your attention to the food waste bin. This is usually where unpleasant odors become most noticeable, especially when opening the lid. Open the bin and spray the inside of the lid with glass cleaner. It helps remove dirt and residue while leaving the surface clean. Wipe everything thoroughly with a microfiber cloth and allow it to dry. Then stick the soaked felt pads to the inside of the lid. Each time you open the bin, the fragrance will be released little by little. When the effect starts to fade, simply replace the pads or add a few more drops of oil. It's a small change that can make a big difference in everyday use. Dealing with maggots in your trash bin? This trick is worth knowing. Pour vinegar and hot water into a large container. Maggots can't tolerate the acidity of vinegar or the heat of boiling water. Pour the mixture in and let it sit for a moment. Then scrub and rinse thoroughly. With regular use, the maggots will stop coming back.
Every time you open the trash can in the bathroom, a bad odor comes out. This trick with a sanitary pad will solve that problem. Once and for all. Take a sanitary pad or panty liner. It's important that it's smaller than the trash can lid. Then, pour mouthwash onto the pad. Its antibacterial properties will inhibit mold growth. Stick it on the inner part of the lid. Now, every time you open the trash can, a fresh, clean scent will emanate from it. It's that simple.
At first, everyone looked at me strangely, but for some reason, they started to imitate me. In the summer, everyone has problems with bugs in their organic waste bins. If you want to avoid them, you first need to prevent flies, ants, and other insects from getting into the waste. Clean the rim of the bin with a damp cloth. Prepare a window screen kit, which you can buy at any hardware store. Take out the adhesive strip and stick it around the clean rim of the bin. Place the window screen over the adhesive strip. It's best if the screen is slightly larger. Trim it just a little. You need to be able to detach it when you want to throw out the waste. Thanks to the screen, flies won't get into the bin and lay their eggs there. It's from these insect eggs that larvae later hatch. For better results, you can sprinkle cinnamon into the bin. The smell of cinnamon repels many insects. Spray the rim of the bin with vinegar. Vinegar is the enemy of many insects, so they will stay away from the waste bin. Now you can safely use the organic waste bin without worrying that bugs will breed in it. Don't throw away the large water canister. It comes in handy under the kitchen sink. Thanks to it, I solved an annoying problem. Take the bottle and cut it in half. Do not get rid of the upper part. Then, melt the edge of the lower part slightly with a lighter. Do it slowly so that the plastic does not turn black. The next step is to put a small bag in it. Then, put the top part over. With this, I have an odor and pest-tight bio-waste trash can. The leftovers stored this way do not smell. Moreover, no flies get attracted to them. Just hide under the sink within easy reach. The second bottle trick will come in handy during the vacations. Take a canister and a lighter. Heat its wall in the lower part. Then, heat a screwdriver as well. Stick it into the wall of the bottle so that a hole is formed. Pour water into it and cap it. The air in it will suck up the water. That's why from the unscrewed bottle, water pours like from a tap. When you tighten the cap, the flow of water stops. This trick is useful in places where there is no access to running water, and you need to wash your hands, for example. A simple canister will effectively replace the tap. Pour this on and your steel will shine like new. You'll remove stains, rust, and ugly streaks in just moments. Normally, this takes expensive cleaning products and a lot of scrubbing, but here's a simple method that makes steel shine like a mirror. The first ingredient of this easy mixture is lemon. Its juice works as a natural degreaser, dissolving residue and leaving the surface clean and shiny. Squeeze the juice from both halves and pour it into a small plastic container. Add a bit of hydrogen peroxide. It helps remove discoloration and tackle tougher stains. Now it's time for toothpaste. Squeeze out a generous amount. Its fine abrasive particles gently polish the steel, while the added ingredients bring out shine and freshness. Mix everything well until the paste dissolves and forms a smooth solution. Pour it onto the stainless steel surface and wipe it down. Finally, polish with a cloth. No more rust or dirt. The steel regains its natural shine and looks brand new. And you don't need to buy new items or spend money on harsh chemicals. Just use what you already have at home. Light this mixture in your home, and it will help you get rid of an annoying summer problem. You don't need anything special because you already have everything at home. Prepare a glass container or bowl and place it somewhere safe. Pour in 3 portions of scented laundry detergent to use as the base. You can choose any type you already have at home. Add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon for a rich, warm aroma. Cinnamon also has natural repellent properties. Then add 3 tablespoons of regular coffee. Coffee enhances the power of the mixture and helps the scent last much longer. Place a few cloves on top. When heated, cloves release natural essential oils and give the whole mixture a strong, spicy fragrance. Carefully light the mixture. Let the aroma slowly spread throughout the room and fill the space. You're probably wondering why this trick is worth trying. You'll notice the effect very quickly. Place the mixture wherever mosquitoes, fruit flies, and other tiny insects usually appear. The scent of the mixture effectively keeps them away. This solution is not only simple but also incredibly practical for everyday use. Put the oven rack in a trash bag. It turns out this trick will save you a lot of time. Start by taking a dishwasher tablet and placing it in a bowl. Boil some water in a kettle and pour it over the tablet. Wait for it to dissolve. Then, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and stir again. Let the mixture cool down. Once cooled, place the oven rack in a large trash bag. Pour the mixture into the bag and make sure to seal the ends tightly. Leave the bag with the rack on the counter. After about an hour, remove the bag over the kitchen sink. Use a regular sponge to scrub off any remaining burnt residue. As you can see, soaking it in the bag makes it easy to remove the grime. The tablet and baking soda effectively clean off the dirt.